Bay windows are a beautiful way to add character, natural light, and extra space to a home. In Frisco, Texas, where the climate includes hot summers, occasional cold snaps, and strong sunlight, choosing the right materials for bay windows is especially important. The materials you select can affect your home's comfort, energy efficiency, durability, and long-term maintenance. Understanding which options perform best in Frisco's climate will help homeowners make a smart investment. One of the most popular materials for bay windows in Frisco is vinyl. Vinyl windows are highly valued for their energy efficiency and low maintenance. Because Frisco experiences long, hot summers, homeowners benefit from vinyl's ability to resist heat transfer when paired with insulated glass. This helps keep indoor temperatures more stable and can reduce strain on air conditioning systems. Vinyl also resists moisture and does not warp or rot, which makes it well suited for changing weather conditions. Another advantage is that vinyl windows require very little upkeep. No painting or sealing is needed, making them a convenient option for busy homeowners. Wood is another material commonly used in bay windows, particularly for homeowners who value a classic or upscale appearance. Wood offers a warm, natural look that complements many architectural styles, from traditional homes to modern builds. It also provides excellent insulation, which can help maintain indoor comfort throughout the year. However, in Frisco's climate, wood windows require regular maintenance to protect them from humidity, sun exposure, and potential moisture damage. When properly maintained with paint or sealant, wood bay windows can last for decades while maintaining their beauty. Fiberglass is becoming an increasingly popular choice for bay windows in North Texas. This material is known for its strength and durability, making it well suited for Frisco's weather patterns. Fiberglass frames expand and contract very little with temperature changes, which helps maintain a tight seal around the window and improves energy efficiency. This stability is especially valuable during Frisco's hot summers and cooler winter months. Fiberglass windows are also resistant to warping, cracking, and corrosion. For homeowners who want the appearance of painted wood but with less maintenance, fiberglass can offer the best of both worlds. Aluminum is another option that some homeowners consider for bay windows. Aluminum frames are lightweight yet strong, allowing for slimmer window frames and larger glass areas. This design can maximize natural light and enhance outdoor views, which is one of the main benefits of installing bay windows. Aluminum also resists rust and can handle extreme sunlight well. However, aluminum is not as energy efficient as other materials unless it includes a thermal break. Because Frisco temperatures can rise significantly in the summer, homeowners may want to choose thermally improved aluminum frames if they prefer this material. Composite materials are also gaining attention for bay windows in Frisco. These frames combine different materials, often including wood fibers and polymers, to create a product that offers both durability and insulation. Composite windows are designed to resist moisture, warping, and sun damage while maintaining a strong structure. They are often chosen by homeowners who want a long-lasting window with minimal maintenance. In Frisco's climate, composite windows can provide excellent performance while maintaining a polished appearance. When selecting materials for bay windows, homeowners should also consider the type of glass used. Double or triple pane glass with low emissivity coatings can significantly improve energy efficiency by reducing heat gain during the summer and retaining warmth during cooler months. This feature can make a noticeable difference in overall comfort and energy costs. Ultimately, the best material for bay windows in Frisco depends on a homeowner's priorities, including maintenance preferences, budget, and desired appearance. Vinyl and fiberglass offer excellent durability and efficiency for the Texas climate, while wood provides timeless beauty for those willing to maintain it. By choosing materials designed to handle Frisco's heat and seasonal changes, homeowners can enjoy the beauty and functionality of bay windows for many years to come.